Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Really quick video at the moment, and I'm asking for everybody's help. Please put it in the comments, whatever your ideas are for a solution to this problem. Okay, we've got our own solutions and possibilities, but I like to ask because sometimes somebody might have a good idea, or it might even spark me to have a better idea than the ideas I've had. This vehicle, quite rusty. It's got a lot of surface rust on everything. One of the studs that's meant to stay in the head didn't, and the nut came off. That's fine, but all the rest of the valve cover bolts are meant to look like that. And even after lots of spraying and waiting and spraying and waiting, bada bing, you know what happened? This one snapped off. Okay, there'll be more detail in other videos soon with a solution, but this is the video showing you what's happened, asking you what would you do, how would you get it out. Now let's go to the vehicle and have a look at the other end. Okay, so we haven't done anything other than lift the valve cover off. You can see normally you've got a stud like that. The other one, the whole thing came out. That's not an issue. You can see all the other places, the bolts came out. But the worst one, down in the back corner. Well, it's not the worst one, it's the second worst one. If it was over that corner over there, that'd be worse. But now we've got about 6 millimeters to work with. It's an M6, 6 millimeters, all right? We've got to work with. We're gonna have a bit more room once we get the gasket and everything out of the way. We have got some tools there, we've got some ideas, but we're just making a quick video to ask you people, all the experts. We know there's a lot of people in the trade and a lot of DIYs, a lot of smart people. Put it in the comments, please. Let me know what is your idea to get this out, and there'll be another video in probably, I don't know, a couple of weeks or so. Subscribe, turn the bell on, and it will tell you what we did and what worked and what didn't work and what the solution was. So that won't be in this video. This is the question video, and in a few weeks there will be the full story video. Thanks for your help. Talk to you soon.